Hey everyone! So today I have the easiest, most quick and comforting and delicious curry udon noodles for you guys, and it's something that I frequently make at home when I want a really quick and easy and delicious meal. So I can't wait to show you guys this easy recipe. So basically everything that you need for this meal is inside the pot. Right now is how easy it is. So I start by filling up about 2.5 cups of water, and this is going to be boiling. It's going to be on the stove while you prepare everything else. And so while this guy is on the stove and the water is heating, I'm going to put in 1 vegetable bouillon cube along with 1 cube of this Japanese instant curry. So you guys, usually you'll see this in the Asian section of the grocery store, but I'll put a link down below in case if you can't find it. So that goes onto the stove, and it should have been from the get-go, and you're bringing that to a boil. Meanwhile, you're just gonna prepare the rest of the vegetables. So I have, for 2 people, I have about 1 medium carrot, and then to that, I'm gonna add between 1 to 2 potatoes, depending on the size of your potato, and then about, like a half of a medium-sized onion. Now, those are kind of the more traditional vegetables of Japanese curry, but you guys can, certainly play around with that. Now, a good rule to remember is the smaller the vegetable, the quicker it takes to cook, and therefore the quicker that you can eat. So I always go by that rule. So when the water has come to a boil, you just dump everything in and then turn the heat down to kind of about a medium, and you want to cook this between 10 to 15 minutes just until the potatoes get soft. Also, I usually add about a half a cup of meat crumbles to this just to add a little extra protein and to make the curry a little bit more hearty, but that is really up to you. So the curry should be somewhat thickened from the potatoes already, but if you guys do like a thicker curry kind of soup base, I usually add a little bit of cornstarch and a couple tablespoons of water to this. So the recipe is going to be down below, and you just bring this guy back to a boil, and once it's thickened, you're really ready to just pair it up with the udon noodles. So usually you'll cook the udon noodles, which are already cooked, in a separate bowl of boiling water. It just takes like 2 to 3 minutes. But if you are doing this to make that really kind of easy and quick udon noodle and you don't want to dirty up too many dishes, I get lazy and I just put it right into the curry. And again, in just a couple of minutes, once the strands loosen up, the noodles are all warmed up and you're ready to go. Sometimes I'll adjust the seasoning towards the end, like you might find that you need a little bit more soy sauce or a little bit more salt. I like to just put a little bit of lemon juice in just to brighten up and pick up that flavor. And then you're ready to serve. And oh my gosh, this dish is so comforting and it is so, so good. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and it is really my go-to recipe for when I want something quick and easy and super, super delicious. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye!